guys, welcome back to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hope all of you are entertained. Did you know that today I will draw and color a character named Mr. Invisible from the game Stumble Guys? Follow and watch until it's finished. Let's go!
With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a
Amazing! It's time to color this picture.
and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
Green.
With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Turquoise green.
and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Royal blue.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Blue gray.
And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Orange.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Blue.
And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Pale baby blue.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
Black.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, amazing! Finally drawing and coloring Mr. Invisible from the game. Stumble Guys, it's done. Thank you for watching this video to the end and don't forget to watch the next video. Bye bye.
Farm,